Hello children, I am Mr. Amlesh Kumar from Tata Devi Public School Ghatota. Today I am going to discuss the important part of informatic practices, that is pandas. What is pandas and what is the importance of pandas? So I am going to discuss all these things. Let's come to this Python library pandas. So one thing is clear here, that pandas is a Python library, and library means what module. So here you can see here it is the most famous Python package for data science, which offers powerful and flexible data structures that make data analysis and manipulations easy. Means in short we can say pandas is a library that allow us to store data and also provide tools or functions so that we can analyze it. It is developed by McNay. So we will learn all the things. Let's come to this basic features of pandas. Data frame object helps a lot of keeping track of our data. With a pandas data frame we can have a different data type, float, int, a string, all in one place. Pandas has a built-in functionality for like easy grouping, easy join, or data or rolling windows. Good input output capabilities, easily pull data from a MySQL database. Yes, one thing I want to clear that no database connectivity means when you are just connecting front end into the back end. So Python and MySQL, the connectivity means you want to send data directly into the backend, that is MySQL, and you can easily retrieve from backend, that is MySQL, to Python. So connectivity is easier than compared to other programming languages. With the pandas we can use a pasty for recycle syntax in doing recreation, and these are the features. So first thing that I'm going to discuss, that how can we install pandas, because it is a library, it is a Python library, then we need to install that one. So I'm going to discuss what are the method what is the procedure. So first you need to see where you have installed Python. So in my computer I have installed this in C drive. There is a folder Python. Go to this script mode here and select this location. Copy this location, then open DOS prompt, go to the root directory, write the cd and paste here and press enter. Now here you have to write command pip install pandas and press enter. One thing you must know, when you are installing, your computer must be connected with a network, internet. It will check. I have already installed Python pandas, so already it's showing that requirement already satisfied. After installing here, you can easily do the programming here. For example, how you can check pandas is installed in my computer or not, or in your computer or not. Simply you write import pandas as pd, and if it will execute, it means pandas is installed in your computer. And if message will come that pandas is not found, pandas module is not found, it means what? Pandas is not installed in your computer. So see here, message there is no error, so it means pandas is installed. So now let's go to the next slide, then we will discuss one by one. Now in Python, when you're talking about the data structure, so there are two main data structure used in pandas. Number one is series, and number two is data frame. One by one we will learn about each. Now what is series? Series is like a one-dimensional array, like a structure with homogeneous data. From example, the following series is a collection of integers. Yes, so first the thing that you people know, one dimensional means one dimensional. See here, one dimensional. Homogeneous means what? The similar type of data, similar type of value can hold. So when you see the example of this, this is what one dimensional having an integer value. So the three main basic features of series is: first one, homogeneous data, size immutable means size we cannot change. When you declare a variable, when we can declare a series, when we'll take a series, so if size is 10, so we cannot change the size 10. Yes, but value of data mutable means changeable. So if this is a series and if you want to change this 128, it can be changed in the place of 28. You can write 20, 30, whatever. So remember one thing again, homogeneous data type means similar type of data, means grouping will be similar. Like if data is integer, so all in series data must be integer. If data is float, so all will be float. Size is mutable means we cannot change the size. When we declare a size once, we cannot change the size. We cannot increase or decrease the size, but value can be changed. So one by one we will learn in details. Now moving to the next part. The second part of data structure is data frame. Data frame, what is data frame? In a series, there you have seen one dimensional, size is mutable, but value is mutable. Here data frame is like a two-dimensional array with a heterogeneous means collection of any type of value. Homogeneous means what? Collection of similar type of value. What are the basic features of data frame? Same, they are homogeneous in series. Here data frame is heterogeneous, size and data mutable in data frame. So here whatever the problem occur in a series, that will be overcome in the data frame. So one by one we will learn each and everything. So next slide, I'm moving to this pandas series. Yes, we will learn via practically also. So what is pandas series? Already we have learned this thing. It is like a one-dimensional array capable of holding data of any type. It can hold integer, a string, float, Python objects, etc. Series can be created using constructor. I'm not going to discuss about this constructor. Constructor means series function we can use. So syntax pandas dot series, data, index, data type, copy. So all these things we will learn practically. Creation of series is also possible from ND, array, dictionary, a scalar value. How we can create a series? So via array we can create, via dictionary we can create, via scalar value or constant we can create. So one by one we will learn about this. So let's first see, because I'm using Bandicam. So about series, how can we create a series via array, dictionary. So all these things we will see in the next video. Thank you.